Hello everyone and welcome to the next topic of radio network planning challenges. So in this we are going to discuss about the various challenges of radio network planning. In our last session we have discussed about our planning method. Now let's discuss about the challenges. 5G new radio planning in low bands like 600 MHz, 700 MHz, 2.6 GHz, 3.5 GHz and high bands. High bands include wave like 15 GHz, 24 GHz, 28 GHz, 39 GHz frequencies. They had various scopes and challenges. With a higher bandwidth or wavelength, the sub 6 GHz spectrum required fewer sites, and this to ensure the continuous mobile connectivity for this. The high frequency wave spectrum, which is characterized by the shorter wavelength, it basically causes the small transmitting length and hence it requires a high number of sites to ensure the blanket mobile connectivity for this. For outdoor spectrum challenges, for outdoor it creates more coverage holes compared to the low band spectrum. So the high band creates more spectrum holes as we can compare these with the low band. So this spectrum is suitable for hotspots. We can use wave spectrum for hotspots like high traffic, dense population and such enterprises with high bandwidth demanding use cases. So 5G deployments have significant challenges from propagation characteristics and dependencies like vegetation, building materials and the weather. Moving to the next, which are 3D beamforming challenges. Now this 3D beamforming has multiple advantages. The initial 5G deployment is expecting many challenges because of the dependency of channel estimation, multi-user, multi-stream optimization algorithm, and proprietary beam management solution. So there are two main requirements in beamforming, which are enormous digital signal processing and high degree of interconnectivity. So in beamforming, these are the two main requirements. Here the mobility between 5G and all these networks is essential and it poses a major challenge that needs to consider. Some of the challenges because of the hybrid network mobility, it is because of the dual connectivity mode. Because it is a hybrid network, so we have a challenges which arises because of the dual connectivity mode also. The term hybrid, as it is a combination of more than one network. So 5G and other networks like 4G networks. So whenever we have a mobility between these two networks or one network to another networks, there are some challenges because of such modes. Thank you.